professional services business have their challenges, right? You've got to make sure that you, as a business, are maximising your revenue and billable hours, managing demand and shifting as customers' demands change. Then there's the headache of data security and sometimes regulatory compliance, and then perhaps throw in software, systems or processes which are disjointed, and it leaves you with a bit of a hot mess to manage. Well, Akixi can help you with these challenges by providing our communications management system to you. With Akixi, you can assign any client interactions to an account code, which then makes it easier to bill hours to a specific client or case. You can monitor and report on both live and historic stats like call waiting times, missed calls, call recordings compliance, and so many other KPIs that you need to keep track of. Reports like this missed calls report will let you quickly see which calls have been missed in red, and once they're returned or they call back in again and get the call answered, then they go green. And these other reports will show whether calls are being routed through to the right person without being transferred multiple times to get there, or show if calls are overflowing to other teams. And if they are, perhaps some resourcing adjustments are needed to optimize your workforce and to ensure calls are answered promptly. You can display all of this data on wallboards for all staff to see, which helps everybody stay focused on, again, delivering the very best service they can without missing calls. And overall, this will ultimately improve your business by making you more efficient with the resources that you have. Keep up to date with the latest Akixi news and information at akixi.com and the Akixi social channels.